highlighting the Siddharth Group expansions in US and investments in Andhra Pradesh. మీ అందరి చప్పట్లతో let me take the privilege to request Dr. Bhaskar Raj garu to kindly address the gathering.
చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారికి నా హృదయ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇండో అమెరికన్ బిజినెస్ తరఫున శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు నేను మీకు ఎవరో తెలియదు. I just want to introduce myself. I born in Nellore district, went to medical school in Tirupati, moved to Orlando, Florida, working as pediatric child psychiatrist, having healthcare business, and also I am director of Indo-American Business Council. ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులు, మన ఆప్తుడు ఇండస్ట్రియల్ మినిస్టర్ అమర్నాథ్ రెడ్డి గారు, ది యంగ్ అండ్ డైనమిక్ ఐటీ మినిస్టర్ లోకేష్ గారికి ఆర్థిక శుభాకాంక్షలు. సో వై ఐఎమ్ హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ స్టేజ్? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మీ స్టూడెంట్స్, మీ చైర్మన్ డాక్టర్ అశోక్ రాజు గారు. Ashok came to Orlando exactly 5 months ago. He asked me, Baba, I want to improve my school standards like international level. So I asked how many months you need. So April and April. So 4 months lo, we worked very hard to bring US education system to Siddhartha Institute to share knowledge, to exchange programs. Even American students can come to your college and study with you guys. Then you can improve your communication skills. You can improve your language. Even the professors are going to come from US. Now there is a US team is here, so I'm going to introduce themselves also. So next one is Mana Mukhyamantri garu, the great, dynamic, smart, talented, only chief minister in India wanted to make sure Andhra Pradesh is going to be best state in the world, not in India. మన ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు రాత్రి భగవన్లో కష్టపడి ఒక చేత్తో పార్టీని, మరోవైపు ప్రభుత్వాన్ని ఏకత్రాటి మీద నిలబెడుతూ ప్రపంచాన్ని తిరుగుతూ he came to USA 2 weeks ago. I was following what he was doing. So even I told Ashok, not only education, సో అందులో అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక తెలుగు వాడిగా నా వంతు చేస్తాము ఈ బిజినెస్ కౌన్సిల్ తరఫున అనేసి ఐఎమ్ బ్రింగింగ్ 2 projects to Siddhartha. One is software solutions. We are going to introduce medical billing courses. So in 2 years after their education, they will get a job immediately. That's number 1. Number 2, the tax company is coming to Siddhartha Institute. They will train students to do tax in US or here. It's called Jackson Hewitt Company. They have more than 5,000 branches in US after H&R Block. That's number 2. Number 3, the Florida State, the help of Florida State Governor Dick Scott helping us to bring at least 100 manufacturing companies to Andhra Pradesh. There are so many companies wanted to go to New Delhi, Punjab. No, I said, just hold on. You don't know about our Chief Minister. I gave a lecture for many days. Finally, they said, okay, let's go. We'll see what kind of facilities they have. Then we'll figure out. That's why I brought them here. Not only brought, I just pulled them. So just I want to introduce few people here. Education pros for universities, Rick Murphy. Rick Murphy, can you stand? Kendra CPA, President of Indo-American Council. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.